Today I want to show you how to do a Chrome OS recovery on a Chromebook in our district. So sometimes the Chromebook will need a new Chrome OS operating system installed. You'll get a message that says it's corrupt, or sometimes if the Chromebook is just acting funny and we just want to kind of start over from scratch, we can do a Chrome OS recovery. In order to do that, you'll need a USB drive that has been specifically created for your particular model. So in this case, I'm working on a Lenovo AMD processor Chromebook. If we had different Chromebooks in the district, you would need a USB drive formatted specifically for that device. So I have that here. You'll notice that the device is powered off. So I'm going to insert this in the USB drive on the left-hand side. And now when I turn on the Chromebook, I'm going to hold down the escape button, the refresh button, and then I'm going to click on the power button to get it started into the Chrome OS recovery mode. Escape, refresh, click the power button, and you'll see the screen flicker. It might be hard to see in the video, but it'll flicker. It comes on. You can release those keys on the keyboard, and it will immediately launch into the Chrome OS recovery process. So this first screen is going to verify that this is indeed the correct USB drive formatted correctly for this particular model. After it does that, it will then go into the Chrome OS recovery. So I'm going to delete a good portion of this video. I'll probably cut out about 5 to 7 minutes or so of the screen just kind of going through that process. Keep in mind that before you start the Chrome OS recovery, it is going to delete anything that is stored on the Chromebook. So if you have any files, screenshots, anything that's been downloaded, those kinds of things that have been saved to the device itself, you'll want to first save those off to Google Drive, save them to a USB drive if you're able to use the device. So now we'll let it go through the process, and I will cut the video and come back when it is done. All right, so about 4 to 5 minutes later, we now see this screen that shows that the system recovery is complete, and in order to get it to restart, you need to remove the USB drive. So I'm going to do that now. You'll see the Chromebook restart. And now as it's restarting, this is what it looks like when it comes right out of the box from the factory. So at this point, you'll click Let's Go. It will ask you to connect to a network. And the very first time, you do need to connect to our guest network, so FFC8 guest. Click on that, put in the password, click connect. So it's connected to the network. It's now pulling down the settings from our Google admin console. I'm going to uncheck this box, not necessarily that you do, but you can do that. You click accept and continue. It might do a check, and then it goes into an enterprise enrollment. That's exactly what we would expect it to do. And it says complete, you click done. And now when you see a school background in the background, that's a good good indication that it has pulled down the appropriate settings. Another one, you'll see that it'll say switch network connections. If you click here, you'll see that it connects to FFC8CB. Again, that's coming from our Google admin console, so that tells you that everything seems to be going correctly, and now you can log in to the computer as normal.